This whole chapter just speaks of Jesus Christ, who opens the 7 seals of the little book, which you can read in Revelation 8:1. But this is what's setting in motion in heaven. And it sets in motion the trumpet judgments which are about to fall on the earth. And these are supernatural judgments that will happen. Now, the loosening of this seal means that this little book is open. And we see, as I've said, that this is the mighty angel, none other than Jesus Christ himself. And he's coming down out of heaven with the book open. Now, I believe that this is the same book that is spoken of as of the scrolls in Revelation 5. And this book is the title deeds to the earth. In other words, earth's possessions. And we know that this was usurped by the devil himself, Satan. And we see Christ standing on the land and sea. Christ takes it, as it were, a legal repossession of the earth. No one but Jesus Christ has the right to do this. And the reason being is because he's the overcomer. He's overcome death. He has been raised in a new glorified body. He is the one now who sits at the right hand of the Father. There is no one else who has that authority but Christ himself. And he alone has the right to open this book which contains the title deeds to the earth. There we're seeing none other than Christ taking those deeds away from Satan, who stole that from Adam and Eve. And what was the tragedy? What happened there? Adam betrayed that trust that God had given him. And we know instead he obeyed Satan in the Garden of Eden. And you know what happened there? He legally transferred this lease to Satan. Jesus in heaven comes out, that great angel, which is the Lord himself. His feet stand on the earth to take those deeds from Satan himself, and it's going to be handed back to man. When it speaks of his feet standing on the sea and the land, it means the whole world, because the whole world consists of land and sea. That's what it means by that. So you see quite clearly, brothers and sisters, the world was never created for the enemy. It was created for man to have dominion. And that is why I hold so strongly to restoration, because you are part of this restoration being set in motion. What remnant that is left on the earth when the Lord Jesus comes, your ministries will also be to restore man back to worshipping God and to a knowledge and understanding that God has given man dominion upon the earth. It is his responsibility.